Hello, my name is Gail Reynolds and I hope you consider joining us on a journey into your family's past. I'm excited to be teaching a beginning genealogy class entitled Climbing Your Family Tree, where we will investigate your family history. I have taught a variety of family history classes for over 20 years. This 6-week course is designed to assist individuals in beginning their genealogical research. Students will learn how to develop a family history, utilizing multiple sources, and how to organize that information. We will explore a variety of types of records on the internet, including census records, vital records, and military records, among others, to further your genealogical research and to document those sources. The goal is not just to find family names with their birth, marriage, and death, but to find the stories about your ancestors' lives in this search for your heritage. Please join me as we explore this exciting topic together.